Hi, my name is Thaddeus Gulden. I'm an applications engineer with Taoglas, representing our North American region, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about CBRS. So CBRS stands for Citizens Broadcast Radio Service. It's being administered under the OnGo brand, and OnGo is using existing LTE solutions, but in the 3.5 gigahertz spectrum, which is shared spectrum, which allows for added capacity for both indoor and outdoor applications. So as time goes on, more and more users, more and more IoT devices are being added to LTE networks, which are straining the network. So adding capacity is a huge concern. CBRS introduces the concept of shared spectrum, so basically allowing different users and different organizations to access the spectrum dynamically and being able to add more capacity for events and granular deployments across the country. So CBRS can be used in many different verticals, anything where traditional LTE applies. For in-building applications, you're looking at education, military, hospitality, office space, multifamily residence, any of those applications. For public spaces, entertainment, government or retail, can be applied there as well. And also, last but not least, the industrial IoT space. So, mineral extraction, oil and gas, power utilities, transportation. This can be leveraged in all of those verticals. So Taoglas has been a part of the CBRS Alliance since 2017. We keep apprised of all new changes in the technical aspects and certification aspects of CBRS. We have existing portfolio product that will support the 3.5 gigahertz spectrum that CBRS is operating on. Right here, this is a terminal mount monopole antenna. It screws into a terminal either on the outside of a metal housing or on the board edge connector, and can radiate efficiently over the 3.5 gigahertz spectrum. We also have MA412, our storm solution, and the LTE ports on this do have efficiency bandwidth at 3.5 gigahertz, can be used for that as well. We also have a paddle antenna, or a paddle terminal mount antenna called TG45. TG45 is a dipole terminal mount antenna, so it's ground plane independent. Very efficient, very good performing antenna, and very flexible in its application. We also have Monsoon, which is the baby version of Storm that supports 3.5 gigahertz as well. On the embedded side, we have our Maximus Fx Uv 66. Which has efficiency bandwidth 3.5 gigahertz. This is a easily applied peel and stick antenna, so it just goes on the inside of a plastic enclosure and comes with a 100 millimeter mini coax cable with U.FL connector to plug into whatever wireless module you have. So many different tech companies and network providers are actually looking at CBRS right now for various added capacity and deployment capabilities. Network providers like AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, and Sprint are all looking at using this to add capacity to their networks. Also, large companies like Google, Ericsson, Intel, Nokia, Qualcomm, they're all looking at this to deploy new IoT-capable networks for internal applications as well. Additionally, if Taoglas doesn't currently offer a product that fits your application space, we also do custom antennas as well. So feel free to reach out to us to explore any custom solutions that you might need for CBRS or any other wireless technology.